third ship into the water. It's traveling at so speed that at this time of day it is impossible to differentiate the surface of the water and the bottom of our pool over here, only 3 meters below. Now, folks, he is the long way up there. Let's show him that we are all right behind him with a large round of encouragement for Bobby! Now that the digress, very important to have complete silence, folks. Whenever you're ready, take your time and good luck.
Anong gagawin ako naka-block? Anong gagawin ako naka-block?
Where is the black one? I don't know.
Tim, anong gagawin ako naka-block?
Wow!
Anong hindi makita?
Very good. Folks, everybody hold your applause. Let's make sure it's okay.